Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. I don't know if today's recipe is a breakfast dish or a dessert because we are making some keto pancakes. But not just any pancakes, we're making red velvet pancakes and we're gonna stack them up and layer them with some delicious cream cheese frosting. It's gonna be delicious. And my dad is gonna join us later to taste test these. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. Let's start by making our pancake batter, and while you can use your regular whisk, I'm going to be using my blender today for no particular reason. And since I've made almond flour pancakes and coconut flour pancakes in the past, today I'm making a hybrid pancake using both. I'm going to start by adding in 30 grams of coconut flour, 50 grams of almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 microspoons of stevia, and a pinch of salt. Then I add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 60 ml of heavy cream, and 4 whole eggs. And no, I don't have an egg-free version. Now it's time to blitz this in the blender, and if you are using your hand whisk, then just whisk away. And your pancake batter is ready. But didn't I say I was making red velvet pancakes? Looks like Mr. Smarty Pants here forgot the red part. So I'm going to add in some red food color and give it all another good blitz. Anyway, now our red colored red velvet pancake batter is ready to use. But before I get to making the pancakes, let me make the frosting because that needs to chill in the fridge for a bit. For the frosting, you need 200 grams of cream cheese at room temperature, 100 grams of butter at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 50 grams of your favorite keto sweetener, and give everything a good mix. Now normally I'd add a pinch of salt too, but since my butter was salted I didn't. Also make sure you use a powdered sweetener, not a granular one. Anyway, once that's whisked and ready, pop it in the fridge to chill. Now it's time to cook our pancakes, and I've got this cute little pancake pan of mine. I'm going to heat up some butter in the pan, and once that butter has melted, in goes my pancake batter. And I'm just going to give it a little shake and spread that batter around. I think by now all of you know my little trick of covering the pancake and letting it cook, so that when I flip it, the batter won't splatter everywhere. And once it's cooked on one side, flip it over and just let it cook for a few seconds on the other. And once that pancake is cooked, remove it from the pan. Now just follow the same process. Add the batter to the pan, give it a shaky shake and spread that batter a bit. Cover it, let it cook, flip it after it's cooked on one side, and then remove it once it's cooked on the other side. And then one by one our pancakes are done. And this recipe makes about 6 of these pancakes. Now it's time to frost our pancakes, and you want to let your pancakes cool before you start frosting them, because otherwise hot pancakes with cold frosting equals a soupy mess. So make sure the pancakes are cooled down. And it's pretty easy. It's just pancake, frosting, pancake, frosting. Lay down a pancake, frost it, lay down another pancake, frost it. Pretty simple, and you get the idea. And then our red velvet pancake cake is ready, and it looks gorgeous. That seriously looks good. I'm impressed with myself. But now we gotta make sure it looks pretty for the photo, so I'm just gonna make it snow using some of that powdered sweetener. And I'll just sift some of that over the pancakes, and now it's truly a thing of beauty. Absolutely gorgeous and ready to eat. But as always folks, you know I cannot let you go without cutting into this pancake cake, and let me do just that and show you a cross section of it. And just enjoy the view folks. After that we'll get right into the tasting. Alright folks, it's time to taste test this, and my father is here and he's already started. Hi Dad, welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen. So this is red velvet keto pancakes stacked up like a cake. So it's a dessert, it could also be breakfast.
Seems to be my lucky day. This is dessert again, twice in as many days.
Alright, so dig in and let me know what you think. I'm gonna have to break this up and eat it because it's huge.
House rules, the wife says dessert only after dinner. This is like a treat. She doesn't know she's sleeping. I'm going to eat this.
I love this. I love red velvet anything. It's got that lovely flavor of vanilla all across the pancakes. And I put this in the fridge because the cream cheese frosting can start to melt. So I'm loving the cold pancakes, and they're nice and soft, and the cream cheese is perfectly sweetened, and it's delicious if you like red velvet. But I think this is something you need to eat in serious moderation, because I haven't done the calorie calculations yet, but I can imagine this is going to be quite calorie dense.
Keep talking.
So do you approve? Do you like this?
It works as a dessert, and plus it's keto, which is amazing. Keto guys, things are getting more and more interesting and easy to do, and still lose that weight, get healthier. The only thing is, visually it looks like a thick cut salami. For whatever reason, I'm sorry, but
that's red velvet, it's red.
yeah, I know.
Anyway, yes, my dad thinks it's imaginary salami, but I think it looks like dessert. But it gets the horns up.
It definitely gets the horns up. Now you finish it now.
Okay, so while he goes and finishes his piece of red velvet pancake cake, I'm going to say goodbye, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this video, do smash that like button. And if you want to support this channel, you can grab some Headbangers Kitchen merchandise like this t-shirt. The link to order this is in the video description box just below this video. Or if you want to support the channel anyway without having to spend any money, just watch some more Headbangers Kitchen videos.